It is the 5th of August 2026, and welcome to today's French A1 class made from real news stories. Today's main story is about MLS leadership. 3 other top news stories featured on LINGUAWIRE.com today. First, des chercheurs trouvent de fausses mentions sur l'huile d'avocat. Researchers find false claims on avocado oil. Next, Infantino réunit les dirigeants de la FIFA au Maroc. Infantino brings together the FIFA leaders in Morocco. And Trump bloque le partage des modèles d'IA. Trump blocks the sharing of AI models. And now today's story. Here is today's headline. Read it out loud. Now let us decode it word by word. MLS is the league name. Nommer means names. Larry Berg is the person. Comme prochain commissaire means as next commissioner. The headline uses the simple order, name first, then the new role. MLS nomme Larry Berg comme prochain commissaire. MLS names Larry Berg as next commissioner. Nomme. The verb in today's headline comes from nommer, to name, and it follows the regular present tense pattern. More examples are on today's lesson sheet, linked below. Larry Berg est co-propriétaire de l'AFC. Larry Berg is co-owner of l'AFC. Co-propriétaire is the more formal word here, and it fits a business story like this one. More examples in the lesson sheet. Il commencera le 1er janvier 2027. He will start on 1st January 2027. 2027 is the year in today's story, and the verb tells us the future start date. MLS a vu 125 candidats, puis il choisit Larry Berg. MLS saw 125 candidates, then he chose Larry Berg. Puis links the two ideas and shows the next step in the story. Don Garber passera le poste à Larry Berg. Don Garber will pass the job to Larry Berg. Say it with me. Garber. The first G is hard like the G in go. Now for the pattern of the day. Je nomme. Tu nommes. Il nomme. Nous nommons. Vous nommez. Il nomme. The headline uses the il form, nommer. One last time, read today's headline again at full speed. Before you go, one question from today's story. Who does MLS name? Is it A. Larry Berg, Don Garber, or C. 125 candidats? Think about it. The answer and 2 more questions are waiting on today's lesson sheet, linked below. Well done, that is today's class. Sign up for free on LinguaWire.com to get the lesson sheet with extended vocab and grammar for this episode, a 3-question quiz to check your understanding, and to subscribe for free to get each episode delivered every morning to your inbox so you build a learning habit. For accelerated learning, enrolled learners get a personalized interactive lesson delivered to their digital classroom each day. Link below. See you tomorrow.